What do you think so far? Do you see why I liked it so much?
It's really pretty. I like it.
We're moving from Noonan, Georgia to the beautiful sandy beaches of Gulf Shores, Alabama.
This sounds like sugar. I wouldn't advise eating it, but it's just like sugar.
Gulf Shores is head and shoulders above anything else that we've traveled to. We've been married for the last 15 years. I have a 31-year-old daughter. Melanie has a 28-year-old daughter. We have a 17-year-old adopted daughter. She's in college, and we together have about to be 15-year-old twin daughters.
Our goal is to make sure they don't become too centered around screen time. So we want to make sure that they have the same benefit that their older sisters did of being outside and being active.
Gulf Shores is a resort city located in the southwest corner of the state of Alabama. With many nature preserves, freshwater lakes, and the Gulf of Mexico, there's no shortage of options to get outdoors and enjoy nature.
I got everything.
Oh, good. I'm starving. What is this?
Can't be bad. It's got that much sugar on it. How's it going? Very good.
No. So let's talk about what's important to us.
Okay.
Our #1 priority is location.
Right.
And we want to be near the water. I'd like walking distance.
The beach part is much more important for y'all than me, particularly because the skin doesn't do beach real well.
We need to make sure that we've got enough space for the family when everybody's here. 3 bedrooms at a minimum, but 4 bedrooms would certainly be better. And then for baths, minimum 2, but 3 would really be a bonus.
Yeah. Having a large deck is important to me. Definitely needs to be covered, though.
Absolutely. Have you given some thought to what you think we should spend on this house?
We need to stay around the 400,000 area.
Even a house that needs a good bit of work, if it was well under the 400,000, I wouldn't be opposed to that. Yeah.
Be a good idea, actually.
I'm showing Melanie and Jim Bayview Bungalow because it is the closest to the water, and it's got a beautiful view of the bay. Bayview Bungalow is on the Fort Morgan side of Gulf Shores, towards the end of the peninsula. Hey guys, I'm up here.
All right.
Hey.
We definitely like the setting you've chosen.
I was hoping that.
And this is the bayside, right?
It is. This is Bayview Bungalow. It's 3 bed, 2 bath. It's 1,080 square feet, and it's listed at $324,000.
The price is good. The size is a little small.
But the best part about it is, look, you are waterfront. You can also build a dock if you needed to.
Oh, that's nice. The deck here is a little bit narrow.
And you're right on top of your neighbor.
Hopefully, they're nice neighbors.
Right.
And
Yeah.
you get to know them, but yeah, I see what you're talking about.
I'm eager to see what it looks like.
Okay, great.
I really love the sound of the waves at the front door. That's
I do
nice.
too. Oh, wow.
This is nice. You can tell they've done some work in here. I like that.
Very cozy. The flooring is beautiful. That was the first thing that caught my eye when I walked in. Second thing, though, was the proximity of the neighbors looking out the window.
That's true. They're
Yeah,
right
yeah.
out there. Feels like it's set up more as a vacation rental right now. There's more that you could do with it to set it up for a family. Wow, you can really tell that they've recently done some renovations. I really like the countertops. I love the open shelving, but I kind of like my cabinet doors.
The view is wonderful from this angle right here. It is.
Absolutely, you can see the water and it just looks so peaceful. It's a nice sized dining table.
The house only a little over 1,000 square feet. They've done a good job of utilizing every square inch that they could in here.
I agree. Oh, wow, now this would be the girls' bedroom. There certainly is the possibility to fit both of them in here.
We'd have to change a double bed into 2 twin beds for them.
There's plenty of space in here for that. And here's the master.
They keep getting bigger.
That's a good thing. This is a nice big room, and we could fit some more storage along the wall. I like this. So, hey, Lynn.
Hey, what did you think?
We certainly can see why you wanted us to see this house.
The things they've done inside is really good. I love the floors, but it's just very, very tight on the inside.
I love this.
I love this.
I love the whole thing, but I just think it's a little small, possibly.
And I would like something on the beach side.
Maybe a little more privacy.
What I have next, I think you're gonna like.
Okay.
Good. That sounds good to us.
I'm showing Jim and Melanie Coral Cottage because it's super close to the beach and it's got large decks. Coral Cottage is in Fort Morgan, which is in Gulf Shores, and it's just steps away from the public beach access.
Very unique looking house, but I like it.
Lot of
The
bright
huge
colors.
deck out on front.
I know, you've got 2. You've got the big one on the front, and then you've got another one back here, and you've got another deck up here, so it's a lot of bonus spaces to get
Right.
outside.
Right.
It's 3 bedroom, 2 bath, it's 1,149 square feet, and it's priced at $366,000.
I love the ceiling.
I know.
Very unique.
It's a little quirky. It kind of feels like we're on a boat. The
Lantern.
nautical light fixtures and the colors.
What do you think about the countertops?
They're not granite, but they're nice looking. A lot of storage space.
Which is good.
This would have to double as a table, I guess.
It would be better maybe if there were a dining table.
This is the living area,
There's not a lot of seating here.
but the benefit of upstairs is that they have the same footprint, but straight above you.
I'm a little bit disappointed that there's not more that great view that you've got out the front of the house.
Maybe you could take that door out and put in glass doors, sliders even.
It's a little concerning.
Look around. I'll meet you outside on the front deck.
Okay.
Look at this bedroom. I love the
It's a
color.
good color.
And there's your view right there.
Maybe this would be my bedroom. Don't like the carpet.
That's an easy fix. What about the bathroom in here? Look at that. It does have double sinks.
That's nice, but I'm gonna be honest, I hate that it opens into the common area.
Yeah, that's true.
Oh, here's the master. Once again, we have carpet.
Yes. Oh, look at that view. There you are. There's the ocean right there.
Well, what do you think about the size of the room?
It's large.
What'd you think?
There's a lot that we like. There are a few things that we're concerned with. Definitely, this is what we were after. I wish that the front were more open to the Gulf.
The spiral staircase of kids would love.
Yeah.
But if a grown person had to go up and down this thing, you'd love to kill yourself
Yeah.
doing that.
Yeah.
I get it.
Everything inside flows right towards the middle. That can create some privacy issues.
We would like to see something a little bit larger to
Great.
accommodate the whole group.
Okay.
That may be tough to order and stay within the price range.
I've got another house that meets that criteria, so I'm going to take you to see it right now. I think you'll like it.
Okay. Thank you.
You lead the way.
Awesome.
Thanks.
I'm showing Jim and Melanie Joint Adventure because it's a large house. It's got 3 covered decks. It's very spacious inside, so they can fit their entire family and friends if they wanted to. Joint Adventure is located on the Fort Morgan side of Gulf Shores. It's a wonderful community. Hey!
It's pretty. I like blue. Looks like fairly new construction.
Yeah,
I love how it's completely finished underneath here.
it is. It looks
Very
nice.
clean look.
Are we in a subdivision?
It's called Morgantown. They have a tennis court and they have a pool, so your HOAs are $138 a month. It's 4-bed, 3-bath, 1,848 square feet, and it's listed at $419,000.
That's quite a bit bigger,
It's much
but a little bit
bigger.
costlier.
Pretty decent walk to get to the beach from this point.
Yeah,
right?
it is. If I were you, I'd take your car or either a golf cart.
Okay. It has a very clean look to it. Just hope it looks as good on the inside.
Yeah, I think you'll like it.
Oh, you're gonna like this.
Oh, it's big.
Yeah,
like
it's
this.
a nice flow from the living room. This is really pretty. These colors are nice. They're very beachy.
You can see 8 or 9 people in here
Yeah,
easily.
easily.
I love the ceramic tile floors that they have here.
The way that this room is laid out, there's tons of potential. And then here's the dining room that we wanted with a lot of space.
You have a large dining room table, but this area here could hold a much bigger table as well. I love the granite countertops here, the overhang with the bar stools, double sink, which is something I definitely like.
It's got white appliances.
Some of these may be a little bit dated, but
I'd like stainless better, but white's okay.
yeah.
When you're at the sink or you're working at the counter, you've got a full view into the dining room and into the living area, so you're never
Now you're never out of the
isolated.
conversation. Oh yeah, this is the master. Real beautiful color.
Yeah, bedroom should be blue.
King-size bed, and it doesn't overpower the room. There's not really a closet in here.
You've got an ensuite bath, so I bet the closet's in there. Oh, this is a nice master. I wish that there were a double vanity.
Yeah, it seems like there's a lot of wasted space in here.
I'm a little bit disappointed at the master bath after seeing the rest of the house. There's just a lot of finishes that I would want to be a little bit upgraded. It's nice to have a private balcony off the master suite. Oh, this is pretty. A lot of space.
You can see a little bit of
ocean
the,
through
little
the
bit of the
houses.
ocean out there.
I like the house. I like the fact that it's very move-in ready. There are certainly some things that if we were designing it, we would change. They're not things that we would be able to change soon because we are beyond what we were planning to spend.
It's very big.
It's not as big as where we currently are, but
No.
it's bigger than we were expecting. Really, the major downside for me is it's just further from the water than I wanted. We just need to sit down and think about what's important to us.
I totally agree.
This is one of the first places we ate when we came out here. And they say that they have the world's best shrimp, and I think
And
they may
I
have
agree
the
with them.
world's best shrimp.
We decided on Coral Cottage. The things I love about this house is the uniqueness of it.
And I like the location. That's my favorite thing because the waves are right there and there's nothing better.
This is my first time being here at all.
It's I've never been down here either.
Coral Cottage was listed at $366,000. We made an offer of $350,000. It was immediately accepted.
The closing process was super simple and now we're the proud owners.